Hey, what is up guys, Son here, and the phone we have just waiting for to launch this whole year has just launched out. The Samsung Galaxy S10 is officially released, and let's just take a quick look at it.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
Samsung Galaxy S10 rocks a 6.1 inches display, which is a Super AMOLED display with amped up brightness up to 1200 nits for better outdoor visibility. It is better than anything Samsung sells to its rivals, and of course it is a 2K resolution panel with 2560 multiplied by 1440 pixels. It is a really curved display, and its curved edges look refined and better than anything we have ever seen in a Samsung phone. It got HDR10 Plus support, and it also got a punch hole display, which is a really good thing to see, and Samsung can now technically say that they have never done a notch. Also noticing that this hole is really refined and really better than the Honor View 20 and the previous Samsung Galaxy A8s. Fingerprint sensor of this Samsung phone has moved in display, which means that this is inside the display, but this technology is a lot better. It is using the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor to sense your fingerprint, and it does not need to wake up your display or anything, and it is sensed faster and more secure. So just like Huawei did, Samsung has also moved to a triple camera sensor on the back side of the phone. You get to see a 12 megapixel of a regular sensor with one f1.5 to 2.4 variable aperture lens, a 12 megapixel telephoto lens, as well as a 16 megapixel of ultra wide angle sensor, and Samsung wants you to take photos at every angle. So it is really good to see the Samsung moving to it as well. The other feature I really like in this camera is that you can seamlessly zoom in between three lenses. Just like Huawei and the iPhone, you can seamlessly zoom in between the regular camera, the wide angle one, and also the telephoto one. Samsung phones are really good at battery life, and this is no exception. The Samsung Galaxy S10 supports a 3400 mAh of battery, and the Plus version supports even more. The S10e supports 3100 mAh of battery, which shall give you unless you hold it, because it has a little smaller display. So from the leaks and renders that we saw, I wanted a S10 Lite to come out, and it just came out with a little ugly name, I can say, S10e. No in-display fingerprint sensor, and number 2, the screen size of the Samsung Galaxy S10e has been reduced, and number 3, it is not a curved display. The number 4 is that it does not have a third camera sensor on the back, which is the So that was it for the video. Hope you guys liked it, and subscribe to Son for more videos like this.